Hey loves, welcome back to another video. So today's video is about how to drive away negativity from your home. If your home is not always peaceful, there is always a misunderstanding, there is always an argument, there is always a quarrel in your home or in your marriage, then you need to do these simple tasks. So guys, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos when I upload. What you'll be needing is 4 lemon and sea salt. We are using natural recipe for these tasks. 4 lemons and your sea salt. When you get your lemon, you cut your lemon into half. Then after that, you rotate it 90 degrees and make another cut downward to create a 4 equal sections. You are getting 4 equal sections. That is, you are cutting your lemon into quarter, all of them. You are going to do the same thing to the 4 lemons. Cut all of them into 4 sections or into quarter. Then after that, you get your sea salt. You can get your sea salt in any grocery store, or you can get it in a local market. They sell it in a local market. Yes, just get your sea salt. Then after getting your sea salt and cutting your 4 lemons into quarter, the next thing you will do is that you pour your sea salt inside your lemon. Soak the lemon with sea salt. Carefully do it. Then this simple recipe or this simple task, remember, will drive away every negativity from your home, every bad vibes, every misunderstanding, everything that doesn't make your home to be peaceful. There is always a fight in the house. There is always an argument. Then just do this simple task. We use natural recipe for it, just natural. Then after doing it for the 4 lemons, remember, for the 4 lemons, you are going to place this lemon in the 4 corners of the house. Maybe in your living room, you place it in the 4 corners in your living room. Then you can still place it in your bedroom where you sleep. Just do the same process or the same procedure. Then place it in 4 corners. Place it in 4 corners in your room. Just place it round and leave it there. Then you will see changes. You will see changes. Your home will be very peaceful. And so guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it to your friends that are in need of this recipe. And if you have any question, just comment on the comment below. Thank you.